I'm just nah, man. Today we doing the HomePod Mini, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you don't know I go by the name Wayne Train. My real name is Dwayne Mims. You can search it up at the top. It might be easier to find your boy that way. We do tech videos, unboxings, all kinds of stuff involving the world of tech. Today we got the HomePod Mini in the building. So go ahead and take a look at that. But if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing to your boy. Let's go ahead and get into it though. So I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you. I actually did already unbox this. Like I'm just playing. It's already good. It's already taken care of. You ain't gotta worry about that unboxing. But basically, all you get in the box anyway is instructions, HomePod. You got your cord and a power adapter. Real quick though. So you mean to tell me, okay? For just real quick, Apple, y'all got a box this big, right? Bigger than your iPhone 12 mini box, right? And it comes with the charger, it comes with the adapter, you know. But they're saving the planet. Anyway, my bad. I didn't mean to, it is what it is. We can move on. HomePod Mini, man. So I've had it on my desk for probably going on a week now. And I like it. It's a nice little aesthetic. Like it looks cool. Let's just start with there. So it looks really nice. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Like it has a nice little, like, it's a nice little snowball looking thing right here. Like I like it. It has candle vibes. It looks good on probably any situation. It can blend in really well. It's small enough for that. Now, a couple of downsides just off the bat. Even though it's only 99 bucks, I do wish that it wasn't, hardwired. So with this, you have to have it plugged in. There's no, battery capabilities or anything of portability in that way. That would be dope if you could do that. But all in all, though, for the most part, it is just a smart speaker. So it's in competition for the most part with your Echo Dots, your what is it, Google Nest Homes and all those things. So if you're not really in the Apple ecosystem like myself, this is the only HomePod that I've ever had. I never had the original HomePod. I don't have any Apple HomeKit devices, none of that. So this is just it. This is just Siri, and that's all it is. So if you've used Alexa, Siri is the same way for the most part. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? What's the weather today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 30 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 30 degrees.
Now you let me know in the comments below how that sounds. I think it sounds pretty dope. Hey Siri, who was the 22nd president of the United States?
Starting again. Stephen Grover Cleveland was an American politician and lawyer who was the 22nd and 24th president of the United States, the only president in American history to serve 2 non-consecutive terms in office.
All right.
That was from Wikipedia.
I got you.
Would you like to hear more?
Nah, I'm cool. Thank you. Siri, bruh.
No sweat.
Okay, cool. Tell me, have you ever in life heard a smart assistant stutter? That was funny to me. I've never seen that before. That's funny as hell. But anyway, I like it though. Like it's pretty cool. My favorite thing about this thing is really, I ain't gonna lie, it really is just the aesthetics. Like you get a couple of these set up on your like if you have a real minimalistic setup, this can like really make things just look nice. Like it's not too, loud. It's not an odd shaped device. Like yeah, it's different. And if somebody's seen it on the desk, they might ask like, what is that or whatever, but that's cool. Like it could fit in like pretty much anywhere, even in this white color. Now, What I will say is the white color does definitely get dirty like quickly. I have like probably only put my hands on this thing like one time and I've already seen like little smudges. So I'm going to probably, I'm thinking about doing a video on, uh, ways to clean this thing. I haven't done any cleaning of it. I'm gonna probably do some research and check it out and then get back to y'all with a video. But that's one of the downsides to the white color and even the black one, like just this mesh material, I can tell will probably like it's gonna cause some problems over time as far as dirt and dust and all that stuff. So definitely be, mindful of that. Dust it off as often as possible. I'll throw a link below for this little joint right here. It's a little battery powered blower. So dust them up real quick and keep it moving. Now next I want to get into this app. So this is the Apple Home app. This is where you would go to if you had HomeKit devices. So some of you may already be familiar with this. So as you can see, all I have is one device. That's my basement HomePod, which is where I'm located. So in here, there's a couple of settings. You can, if you've got rooms and stuff set up, this is where you would go. If you got any automations and everything set up, you can go here. I just kind of want to focus here on the HomePod settings. So, and the scene and all that stuff. So if you have music and everything playing, it would pop up here as well as your control panel here. So all your home stuff down here as well pops up there. So up here, you got this plus sign. You can add an accessory. You add another HomePod. You also can add scene. I'll do that real quick. And then you got over here, you got your intercom. So basically what that is, hey, yo, what you doing? If you're in another location, say work or whatever, and you need to get somebody's attention who's near the HomePod, you can hit up the intercom feature and here it goes. Hey, yo, what you doing? Now, what I will say is it's quite the delay. The intercom on the Alexa app is much quicker, much more responsive. But, I think, I'm not sure if this was a feature on the original HomePod, so I don't want to say that it's in its infant stages or whatever, but I feel like there's a lot of kinks and everything to work out with this HomePod mini that I'm discovering. So, and mainly the things that I'm noticing is latency. So we'll get into it and we'll talk about that and some of the other things. But right here we got a scene. I just made up a quick scene. Let me see. If you hard press on it, then you can edit the settings of the scene. But basically what you do here is you would, create a scene. So if you had multiple accessories, you can set up however you want it to be. Right here is super basic. Got the HomePod. I hit the scene and it plays a song. That's really all I got. You can set it to do, play audio, pause audio, whatever. Let me see what else you can do. I'm gonna delete this scene. Oh, I should add that. So we're gonna add another scene, right? Add accessories, HomePod, done. So since it's a HomePod, that's really all the scenes you can do. It's no RGB lightings or anything like that. So you can have it set to play a playlist or whatever. So pretty cool, quick and easy. So if you get home, you just want to, chill out. You may have already made a playlist at work or something and got it edited up, put it up in the scene. As soon as you get to the crib, hit that button, you good. And if you had everything all set up in your home, it might trigger some other things, lighting, whatever, in your scene. It's dope. I'm gonna do that eventually. Maybe not with the Apple, maybe I'll do it more with Alexa, but we're gonna get that popping in a video. But let's do some
What do you want me to play?
Alexa, chill. I'm sorry. I keep saying your name. I'm not used to that yet. I'm sorry. So
I'm Not Used to That by Marcos Hernandez
no.
on Amazon Music.
Hey Alexa, stop. Okay. I keep saying her name. But Let's go ahead and get into some music and some sound tests. Shout out to the man, the god, Tana So Lit. Dope beats. Go check him out. I'll throw the link and everything to his beats below. Go copy some for sure. And let me play the 2 beats that I bought. I definitely gotta go buy some more, but let's do that. Let's see. Hey.
That's how I got that heat. Let's go.
Come on!
You maxed out on the volume as well.
Downtown, I got that heat. Let's go.
Alright, so look, I'm recording on the S20 Ultra, so I apologize. You know, the audio in that way is not going to be able to be done. It's not going to do it justice. But this thing is dope. Like, I love the way it sounds. I love that, you know, that transfer feature. Now, what I wanted to try to see, let's see, 1 second. I go by the name Wayne. My real name is Dwayne Mims. You can search it up at the top. Might be easy to find your boy that way. We do tech videos, unboxings, all kinds of stuff involving the world of tech. Now, if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing to your boy. Okay. As you can see, a couple issues that I'm seeing, which has been pretty consistent, is the transfer. Sometimes it lags, sometimes it pauses. Now, I am using a device that isn't natively paired to it. I just grabbed my iPhone and my iPhone SE and popped it up. So what we're gonna do here is pause play. Now it says that it's connected. Okay. It says that it's doing it. So as soon as I switch it back, it's put on the iPhone. I'll put it back to the basement, which is the HomePod. And it's not heavily packed, so it should be pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get it. So right now, that's the biggest downside that I see. And I want y'all to check that out before going ahead and buying. Now, okay. Let's check it out with the... Now, it worked pretty well with the 12. For whatever reason, I couldn't get it to work with my SE. Maybe my SE needs to be updated. I'll get back to y'all with that. I'm not really going to spend too much time trying to get it to work on here. But it does work on the 12, as you can see. So that's the other thing too. Now, a lot of this is new. I haven't really played with this HomePod very much. So everything that you're seeing, I'm still kind of, you know, playing with and learning myself. You can simultaneously play, you know, from the, or you can play music from the phone. that connects is when it's connected to the HomePod. You can also play the HomePod independently, and still play music from your phone separately. So that's a cool feature. I'm really digging this because I want to know what it's like to have two of these paired up. I feel like it'll be dope. The only downside, like I said so far, is the transferring and all the lag and the the latency. Latency is pretty bad so far. So for $99 though, I think it's still a pretty good deal. It sounds really good. You still get all the Siri functionality. You can make calls and everything. Actually, let's go ahead and do that before we get up out of here. Hey Siri, call Lindsay.
Calling Lindsay Mobile.
Let's check out and see how good the audio quality is. Now, I did try to make a call from here before, and it was having a little bit of issues.
Hello?
Hey, I got you on this HomePod. How do I sound?
Fine.
Okay. Say a little bit more.
Well, Gracia woke up, so I'm giving her a bottle right now.
Okay.
Want to say hi to Daddy?
Hi,
Say
Mama.
good night, Daddy.
Hi, Mama. Mama.
Say good night.
All right, I'll be upstairs in a minute.
Okay.
Good night.
Bye.
Okay, so not bad. I think it'd be pretty good for a speakerphone. Like I said, the biggest thing I'm noticing, and it even happened a little bit with the. Okay, like it's about to start playing music. Like it happened a little bit with the phone call as well, is the latency. The latency seems like it needs to be tweaked a little bit. But other than that, man, the HomePod Mini is a go for me. I would get two of them, if I'm being honest, just to maximize that sound. The sound from one is pretty good, but I think two would be even better. And you can have it set up, with your home kit and everything, have them all around the house to be able to, have a totally different like music experience and everything throughout your house. Kind of similar to what you would get from Sonos. But anyway, man, that's all we got today. Like, subscribe, share, do it up for your boy. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if there's anything more about the HomePod Mini you want to know. If there's something you want me to touch on in another video or something. Or if there's anything you want me to check out in particular. So, yeah, man. It's your man, Wayne Train. I'm out.